Not gonna lie, y'all, I have meetings all day long, so I'm not really sure what kind of content we're gonna be able to get for today's vlog. I'm headed to the gym right now to train biceps, triceps, and shoulders. Then I've got a podcast, and I've got another podcast, and I've got the health inspectors coming out, and I've got meetings all day after that. So, not sure what we're gonna get on today's vlog, but we're just gonna kind of go with the flow and see what we see. Alright, I just got back from the gym, showered. We trained shoulders today. We're going to train back tomorrow, arms on Sunday, and then back to legs on Monday. We switched it up just a little bit. Published a podcast with Dr. Barry. I'm going to go to Dr. Barry's office next Thursday to get all my labs drawn. I'm about to jump on a podcast right now with an ultra endurance athlete. So we'll just kind of do like a play-by-play of all the meetings I have today, and then we'll see what kind of content we wind up with. So right now, podcast with Anthony, ultra endurance runner. Hello, Anthony, can you hear me? Awesome, how are you, brother? Oh, nothing much, man, nothing much. Just finished one podcast. Crystal brought me a coffee. I've got another podcast right now with Kate. While I was on the last podcast, Crystal went to the warehouse, picked up a pallet of protein for the Keto Bricks. Yeah, more computer work, here we go. What's going on, ladies and gents? This is Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. I've got special guest Kate Jaramillo on the line today, and we're going to talk about all things keto as it relates to women, pregnancy, and beyond. So without further ado, how are you, Kate? All right, that podcast went great. Kate, awesome recording, awesome conversation. That'll go live sometime next week or two. Right now, we've got 30 minutes until the health inspectors come here to get everything squared away there. So I'm going to go outside, do a couple more odds and ends cleaning up. We gotta mount like the soap dispensers and the paper towel dispensers and whatnot, so let's do it. Check it out, y'all. We just got our dumpster. Boom. We're waiting on the health inspector right now. He should be here in about 5 minutes. He's gonna assess our property and see if we're good to go. I'm gonna kill the time by eating the Keto Brick. What you got there, babe?
We got our, what is it even called?
Certification
for, like, we're approved for the health department.
So we're able to work out of here now.
Yes.
You excited?
So excited.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Alright, y'all, we are stocked back up on shipping stuff. Stocked, that's the pallet Crystal got. Stocked back up on ingredients, which means it's time to make some more bricks, y'all. Alright, back in the office, I've got a client call with my client named Alan. He's got his competition coming up this weekend. He's gonna absolutely kill it. He's going to defy the laws of age because he looks freaking shredded. And I don't know, I'm gonna show you his picture here after a while because he looks amazing.
Hello.
What's going on, man? How are you, buddy?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good, man. You looking shredded, brother.
Yeah, we're about ready now.
All right, so just finished up with that client call. Alan is doing his first show, like I said, on Sunday. It's where he's in the UK, so it's different time zone or different schedule for events. Normally here in the States, the competitions fall on a Saturday. His is on Sunday, but he's gonna freaking kill it. He looks amazing. He's 45 years old. He looks like he's freaking 25. Anywho, I got another client call with another competitor that's going to be competing on Saturday this week. And then after that, I've got an interview. Crystal and I are meeting somebody at Starbucks, of course, in Little Rock. They're going to apply and try and get some more information about working with us at Keto Brick. So super excited about that. It's kind of cool that we're like hiring people. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, we're going to meet with her, see how that goes. And yeah, it'll be good. So I'm excited about that. Time to jump on the next client call. See you in a bit. Hey, Sierne, how are you? I'm great. How you doing? How's the All right, y'all. We're driving to Starbucks for this interview. Crystal's driving. She's just getting with it in the van, hot rodding it. All right, y'all. The interview went great. Huge success. So glad to meet you, Trish. I'm at Buffalo, I don't know if you can see it, Buffalo Wild Wings right now. I'm gonna pick up 2 traditional medium orders, Parmesan garlic and salt and vinegar to go because I got another client call. Actually, I've got to call my designer in and out. They're about 30 minutes, and then I got a client call after that. And that's probably gonna be the only way. I haven't eaten very much today at all except the Keto Brick and a yogurt. So I gotta get a bunch of calories in really quickly without having time to cook. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, y'all, just left B-dubs. I got a medium of the garlic parmesan, and I have what's left of the medium salt and vinegar, which I've almost already eaten. Worst customer service I've ever experienced at B-dubs. Don't want to complain about customer service, you know, because I mean, there's like much greater problems in the world, but you gotta enjoy, at least, like, I don't know, like if I was working at a restaurant, and I've worked at a restaurant, I used to be a server at a steakhouse, there'd be bad days where I was like overwhelmed and not having fun, but I don't know, you gotta project yourself in a positive light so that you're not just a downer and depressing to everybody around you. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna dig into this chicken. I'm gonna jump on my next call, so I'll see you in a bit. I've gotta warm up the second half of my chicken because I had a call and now my chicken's cold. But it was a good call. I was talking with Amanda, which is my designer. She's done the design work for the new Keto Brick packaging, which unfortunately is gonna take like 2 months to actually get, because it takes a long time for them to actually make the packages once they have the design work. But it's okay, we'll get them done. It's gonna look amazing. I can't wait to show you what the new packaging is gonna be like, so get ready for that. I'm gonna eat the rest of this chicken and jump on a client call. Daryl, how are you, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, man, I'm good. Where you calling from, brother?
I live in Fairfield, Ohio.
Ohio, very nice, very nice. What's the weather like in Ohio? Is it getting rain like we are? All right, y'all, just finished up my last call for the day. I'm gonna run to Sonic and pick up a bag of ice because I need to find a way to make some fatty shakes or something, because I have like so many more calories left to get in today and I just cannot eat another bite, so I gotta drink some calories. All right, y'all, I'm at Sonic now. Just got done ordering a bag of ice. They have the best ice, by the way. In other news, I'm jamming out to the Moana soundtrack, which is amazing. Very, very inspiring, motivating. Love it. Disney movies are the best. Alright, I went to the movies the other day, like a couple months ago, and they all suck. All the new movies suck. But Disney movies, no matter how bad the mood you're in, Disney movies light you up. They're good. I love Disney movies. You know, I'm gonna make a pact with Crystal. From now on, when we go to the movie theater, we're only watching Disney movies. So, I'm gonna get my ice and jam to this. Catch y'all later. Alright, y'all, let me show you what kind of crazy, chaotic shake I'm about to make. I got my Sonic ice, and this beast is going to be, that's not gonna focus, but about 2,100 calories. I'm gonna do 1 pack of this peely nut butter, 1 pack of this performance nut butter, 10 tablespoons of heavy cream, 31 grams of this, whatever that winds up being as far as tablespoons go. Basically, it's a mix of olive, flax, and coconut and MCT oil. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this, 2 scoops of the keto meal, and 2 tablespoons of MCT oil. So, kind of scared for my digestive tract right now. Alright, y'all, moment of truth. How's this taste? Pretty good. Kind of like cold pancake batter. I like it. I can definitely get this 2,100 calorie shake down easier than I could any kind of food item right now, though. So happy about that. I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna work on some clients. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow.